Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this ooey gooey marshmallow chocolate poke cake. This recipe is a must for every serious chocolate lover out there. The first thing we're going to do is make the chocolate cake. For that, in a large bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Next, we're going to add in the granulated sugar and give it a mix. Make a hole in the middle and add in the wet ingredients. This recipe is my go-to chocolate cake recipe, and it can be easily doubled or tripled to make 2 to 3 cakes. Now we're going to mix everything up, making sure not to overmix, and pour that into an 8x8 greased baking tray. Bake this for 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the chocolate sauce, we're going to combine together milk, heavy cream, cocoa powder, and granulated sugar. Give this a mix and cook it on medium heat until small bubbles start to appear. Don't let this boil, take it off the heat, and then add in the chopped chocolate. Give it a mix and set it aside to let it cool down slightly. When the cake is completely cooled, we're going to poke holes into it using the back of a spatula, and you're going to make sure that the holes aren't too big or too small. Pour on the warm chocolate sauce, and it's going to look like it's too much sauce, but trust me, you got to use all the sauce. Let that soak in the fridge while we make the frosting. For the frosting, we're going to mix together egg whites, sugar, and cream of tartar in a bowl placed on a double boiler. Whisk this until the sugar is dissolved. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. You can check that the sugar is dissolved by rubbing some of this mixture between your fingers, and there should be no grittiness. Take this off the double boiler and start beating. We're going to beat for 5 to 7 minutes until stiff peaks form. You can also stop at soft peaks if you like that texture. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and finish it up. We're going to spread this on to our cooled cake, and you can add as much as you like or as little as you like. Don't make a mess like I did. The full recipe is available in the description box below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, like it and leave a comment down below. Now I'm decorating this using a store-bought chocolate sauce by making random lines like so. I'm going to use a toothpick to make little swirls, and that's it. All you have to do now is rest this for at least 1 hour in the fridge before serving. This ensures that the cake doesn't fall apart when we cut into it. And here it is, the final product. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy, delicious recipes just like this one.